I want to come to the issue of this whole, in the debate, Nishikant Dubey said about demography change, right, in what is happening in Bengal. And the allegation of the BJP is that, the Muslim population in Bengal, especially in the border areas with Bangladesh, has increased so much, 10 to 15% since the 2011 census. And that is why the TMC doesn't want, or the opposition, because they also talk about the Congress, though the Congress, the TMC says is irrelevant in Bengal, but they're saying that with this increase, like in Murshidabad and Malda and in these areas, with the increase of the Muslim population, that's the reason TMC doesn't want the SIR to take place in Bengal. What is your view, that should they hammer in that SIR has to happen regardless of whether they get cooperation from the state government or not?
Of course. And I'm just absolutely done to death with this kind of, every time BJP comes up with, rightfully brings out the lacuna of the previous dispensation or the current non-BJP dispensation, opposition you can call it. They just say it, and as is their habit all the time, they never act on it. The classic case in point is, of course I'm digressing a bit, is Vande Mataram. Yeah, thank you for telling the world that two paragraphs were taken out. But you had 11 years to reinsert those two paragraphs if you don't agree with it. Now, did you know that UPA did more border fencing with Bangladesh than NDA?
Yes.
Can you imagine that? Even today, I think 400 kilometers of our border with Bangladesh is still unfenced. And you know the pretext, उसका excuse क्या है कि ममता दी जो है BSF को लैंड नहीं, अरे भाई आपके पास क्या है? You have the means and the wherewithals to sweep any opposition aside, because this is a national security issue.
But Anand, interestingly, this is not just a problem which happens in India.
Right.
So, for example, if you look at Obama's record in expelling illegal immigrants, it is far more than what Donald Trump has managed to do. But Donald Trump has made it a platform, a political issue. So he is trying to play this card, even though he has achieved much less than what Obama did. And this is the general divide. In the left does it slimily, quietly, but does it. The right makes a big song and dance about it, does not do it, wants it to become a major issue, because then it becomes a political platform.
Just give you the data before I, for example, it was Shashi Tharoor who first said there might be, in Pax Indica's book, 20 million illegal Bangladeshis, and he alluded to them as termites that have escaped into the Indian woodwork. That's what he said.
So but everybody associates that
Amit Shah with them. ना Shashi Tharoor को कोई नहीं, क्योंकि privilege है उसकी, चलो कोई बात नहीं.
No, he didn't use the word.
Yeah, who escapes into the termites?
I agree, but he didn't use the word. Amit Shah ji said it in Parliament. He said "Deemak ki tarah."
Just "Deemak ki tarah" is a colloquial expression.
I'm not disputing.
Everybody uses it. It's not a racist expression.
Then Kiran Rijiju repeated that. That there are 20 million odd Bangladeshi immigrants, illegal immigrants, right? We have to do something about it. Exactly as you said. पूरा उसका वो election issue बना दिया. Then Amit Shah said, we have identified 4 million. We'll throw them out. This was 4-5 years ago. कितने आपने अभी तक डाले? You're right. यूपीए ने ज्यादा किए थे.
80,000 यूपीए ने किए.
तो बोलो, जनता को गुस्सा दिला दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो, और फिर एक्शन कुछ होता नहीं है. तो
वो 390 निकले बिहार के अंदर, और गृह मंत्री जी ने इतने उन पे भाषण दिए, कम से कम उन 390 को तो डिपोर्ट करो.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.